Hi, this is Xenon the Fixer, and I will show you how to fix the touch mouse pad in your laptop. If it doesn't work, you don't see no mouse logo when you try to move this, I will show you how to fix that. So your touchpad is not working, you will need a mouse. Any mouse, just go in the store and purchase it. You plug it in. Just wait to load after you plug in. For sure you will see the mouse logo, but the touchpad is still not working. Now to fix this, you need a software called Driver Booster 6. Just go to Google Chrome and type in Driver Booster. Search it. Now pick the first one. Then you could download this. Just press free download. Now after you download this and install it, open the software. Now it's going to scan it by itself. Look at this. It says system device Synaptics SM bus driver needs an update. So that's the touchpad. So I just click update, then you press OK. You just wait until it's done updating. And it's going to install. That should work your touchpad if it's not working. Now, after that, you restart your computer. Okay, now let's restart the computer. So this is still not working after you install this. So just press power, restart. You wait for a little bit. Okay, look, it's fixed. That's how you fix the touchpad. Let me log in. Yep, that's how you fix it. Don't forget, you gotta install Driver Booster 6 to fix this. You press scan, and you could check not only the touchpad, you could check your graphic cards, anything you like in this software. They got Bluetooth, they got everything you want. If you upgrade it, it costs money, but you get the most of your computer. This is watching. This is Xenon the Fixer. See you later again. Bye-bye.